overcome fear in maths, you will get success in that. To overcome fear in maths, you will get success in that.
Welcome to our channel Fearless Math Class. Hope in this pandemic situation you people are fine. For safety purpose, we always wear mask, sanitize our hands and always maintain social distance. Okay, come to the point. Today I am going to discuss about percentage with some problem sums. Let's see. Here I took some problem sums and one by one we will solve that. Okay, first problem sum is 15 as a percentage of 45. So how we will write that? Required percentage (15 by 45 into 100), and that is 3. So 100 by 3, so it will come 33 by 3 percentage. Okay, so this is our answer of first question. Now we will do second question. So our next problem sum is 30 paisa as a percentage of 4 rupees. First of all we will do rupees to paisa. So 4 rupees, that is 4 rupees equal to 400 paisa. So required percentage equal to 2. Here it is 15. So 15 by 2, it will come 7.5 percentage. This is the way we got our second problem sum's answer. Okay. Our third problem sum is 42 seconds as a percentage of 6 minutes. So 6 minutes, first of all we should convert in a second. So 6 minutes equal to 6 into 60 seconds. (360 seconds). Okay, so required percentage so 42 by 360 into 100. So after dividing this, 11 by 3 percentage. This is the way we will get our third problem sum also. So this is the way we can easily convert minute to second, rupees to paisa. Okay, so fourth problem sum I will show you, then you people can understand it better. Next problem sum is 400 grams as percentage of 5 kilograms. So 5 kilograms we should do grams means 5 into 1000 grams. first of all we should convert that. So we will get 5000 grams. Now required percentage is equal to 400 by 5000 into 100. So this way we can easily convert any kind of unit to another and we will get our result. Okay. So how we will find increase or decrease any kind of percentage? So for that some rules are there. So we have to follow that rules, then we can easily do our problem sums. So those rules are percentage of percentage increase equal to increase in value by original value. Into 100. Okay, and second one is percentage decrease equal to decrease in value by original value into 100%. So when we will do any kind of problem sum, that time we definitely use these two rules. So I am going to show you those kind of problem sums with using these rules. Problem sum is mangoes were selling at ₹20 per kg last season. This season they are selling at ₹23 per kg. Find the percentage increase or decrease in price. So that time we know how we will find out if any percentage increase or decrease. Two rules we already discussed. So based on those rules we will find these problem sums. Okay, so now we will write down it here. The percentage has increased from ₹20 to ₹23. So now original price is ₹20. Okay, increase in price equal to ₹23 minus 20 to ₹3. So percentage increase in value by original value into 100. Okay, So this is our formula, and increase in value means that is 3 and original value that is 20 into 100. Okay. 3 into 5 means 15%. So here the percentage increase in price, that is 15%. Okay. So now we will do decrease in percentage in our next problem sum. So our problem sum is last problem sum. It is, this is a computer costing rupees 60,000 1 year ago now costs rupees 40,000. So find the percentage increase or decrease in the price. So here we can know previous price was 60,000 and now it is 40,000. So it already decreased. So we use percentage in decrease rule. So here the percentage has decreased from rupees 60,000 to rupees 40,000. Okay, so original price $60,000. Okay, so decrease in price so percentage decrease decrease in value by original value into 100. 20,000 by 60 into 100. Percentage. So this is the way we will get our result. So now I'm going to end my class. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get all the notification in future. And thank you for watching my video.